Let me show you how to connect Google Analytics 4 to InsightfulPipe and use the InsightfulPipe CLI alongside Claude Code to generate a full traffic and conversion report, all from the terminal. First, go to the InsightfulPipe connectors. Click Add Connection. Choose Google Analytics from the available connectors. You'll be redirected to Google's OAuth screen. Choose the Google account that has access to your Google Analytics property and grant access to your Google account. Select the Google Analytics 4 properties you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Now navigate to the CLI setup guide in the sidebar to get started. Back in the terminal, run the npm install command to install the InsightfulPipe CLI globally on your machine. Now authenticate the CLI by running InsightfulPipe auth. You'll be prompted to enter your API token. Back in InsightfulPipe, go to Settings, then API Keys. Give it a name and click Create. Your API key is generated. Copy it. Paste your API key into the terminal. The CLI confirms authentication was successful and the token is saved to your OS keyring. To ensure the API key is stored, you can also export the token by running export InsightfulPipe token and paste your token. Run InsightfulPipe Doctor to verify your setup. Everything is successful. The CLI is fully configured. Now let's launch Claude Code. Ask Claude to use the InsightfulPipe CLI and produce a full GA4 performance report, covering sessions, traffic sources, top pages, and engagement. Claude starts processing the request. It loads the InsightfulPipe tools and begins querying your account context to understand what data is available. The report is ready. It starts with an overview showing total sessions, users, new users, average engagement time, conversions, and overall conversion rate. The report breaks down traffic by channel, showing how organic search, direct, paid, referral, and social each contribute to overall volume and conversions. Then it drills into your top pages. What drives the most engagement and conversions? You get a clear view of top conversion events and where users are dropping off. Claude highlights what's working: high converting channels, strong pages, and standout engagement. It calls out the biggest issues: low engagement sources, high exit pages, and broken tracking. And it ends with a clear action plan: fix what's broken, optimize fast, and scale what works. That's InsightfulPipe with the CLI and Claude Code.